Hello everyone, my name is Manuel Riquelme Mendoza and studied in the Industrial Engineering program at University. And I'm here to explain the Duality Analysis for Task 2, lineal programming course. So here we can identify the variable. We have the three types of the sanitary porcelain. So type 1 with a cost is 13,000 unit per unit. Type 2 14,000 per unit, and type 3 cost 16,000 per unit. These are the requirements that will be our restrictions, and the products in each type of porcelain are type 1, type 2, and type 3. Here the variables have been identified in order x1, x1, x2, and x3, which is equal to the maximum for kaolin at $421, for quartz at $250, and for feldspar at $260. Here I have to already identify the variables with their constraints, and here it has already been shown in the solver program. Solver program is to see if we should make an improvement in the investment and choose improve the company's profits or earnings. Based on the results of the simplest program, now we are going to remember the simplest process in the duality analysis to check if that cut the restrictions on the company's profit. So what we do is change the order on the objective function. In this case, it would be to maximize W here W maximize W would be change the fluoral requirements means 421 y1 plus 252 y2 plus 260 y3. Then the regions and change position, that is those that are rows in columns and those that are columns in a row remains as a false. And the sign remains less than or equal to if you add a value of plus S1. Now we must perform the procedure to find the result where the most negative coefficient is placed on the bottom and the rest is positive. Negative and positive. Yeah. And positive. Coefficient on the right side. This is of define the pivot value and the pivot columns. This one. And the perform the conversion is the following table. This process is repeated until we find the first row where all the values are positive, and the solution is the same as the one given to us in solver. But the same table, solution table, and solver result. Yeah, it's the same. The same. As we can see, the top part, which is the original, with the result of the table, give us the same results. Maxima W and minus C. We observe that in the new configuration of the constraints, we can see there the same result we compared to original result. Another this investment is the positive for the company. For the company, the company inversionistas and asociados, it's observed that each unit of kaolin Y1 has value of H1000, H100. Each unit of quartz Y2 has a value of 36,160, and each unit of feldspar Y3 represents a value of $0. This concludes my explanation of duality analysis in the linear programming course. Bye bye.